Hi, Maureen here on location and excited to show you my newest listing at 52 Hydeville Road in Stafford Springs, Connecticut. Come check out this charming 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, Cape-style home located in over 2 acres of land. Let's go take a look. Owned and loved by the same family for 35 years, this home welcomes you with a large front porch to the front door.
You're supposed to feel hopeless.
The kitchen includes a breakfast bar overlooking the living room, white cabinets, and detailed tiled backsplash.
Hypnosis. My feet are finally grounded with you.
Highlights include an open concept with dining to living room, which includes a propane stove and sliders out to the enclosed porch, featuring skylights and beautiful views of the garden.
My feet are finally grounded with you.
4 generously sized bedrooms include a master bedroom, 1 bath on the main level, as well as 2 bedrooms and a bath on the second floor. You'll also enjoy more space in the finished walkout basement with laundry, storage closets, and a possible in-law. Outside you'll find tons of privacy, sheds, a barn, ponds, gardens, and so much more.
And dance until the end. Can we stay right here forever?
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 52 Hydeville Road in Stafford Springs, Connecticut. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact me at the number below. Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. 3 bath, whoops, I need do something with my words. Chop that one, what?
There was, yeah.
I know. I tried to put, yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, I want to look at that again. So, includes